In this example problem, we have a string of length 3 meters that's fixed at both ends. A wave with a velocity of 15 meters per second travels through it. What is the fundamental frequency? What is the third harmonic? Alright, so remember n equals 1 is when you have the fundamental frequency. And since we have a standing wave traveling through a string, we want to use the relationship frequency equals the harmonic number times speed divided by 2 times L. So we can plug in 1 for our harmonic number since we're dealing with the fundamental frequency. The speed of the wave is given, so that's 15 meters per second. And then we're going to take 2 times the length of the string, which is 3 meters. So that gives us a fundamental frequency of 2.5 hertz. Remember, all future harmonics are all integer multiples of the fundamental frequency. So if we have the third harmonic, that's going to be 3 times the fundamental frequency. So 3 times 2.5, it's 7.5 hertz.